Unit 6. Smart Devices. What are artificial intelligent devices? Artificial intelligent devices are smart devices that use artificial intelligence to think, learn, and help make our lives easier. Examples of AI devices. Smart board. A smart board is a digital board that is used for teaching and writing interactively. AI lights. AI lights are smart lights that are controlled by apps or voice commands to change brightness and colors. Alexa. Alexa is a virtual assistant that answers questions, plays music, and controls other smart devices. AI drone. AI drone is a flying device that captures photos and videos or delivers items. AI home cleaner. AI home cleaner is a robotic vacuum cleaner that cleans floors automatically.